today we'll be starting with the topic world problem. World problem or world problems. And you could be asked a question just like this. Perhaps someone could just ask that, saying the sum of 4 consecutive numbers. 4 consecutive numbers is 58. And the person could, okay, is 58. And the person could go on to say, find the numbers. Find the numbers. So what are you expected to do based on this word problem? At first, you need to understand that as long as someone have said consecutive numbers, it means when someone is talking about consecutive terms or consecutive numbers, it means that they are going to be standing in line. Like, if I am to say what are the consecutive numbers from 1 to 10, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consecutive numbers to 10, right? Now, if I say from 10 to like 15, for instance, you say 10, 11, 12, that is consecutive. You understand what I'm saying? Now, in this particular case, they say that the sum of the 4 consecutive numbers is 58. You understand? The keyword here, 58, right? And they say we have to find the numbers, right? How do you go about this? You will start by saying, okay, let's the numbers, let the numbers be any alphabet of your choice. You understand what I'm saying? It could be any alphabet of your choice. It could be anything. It depends on what you want it to be. You understand me now? It could be anything that you want it to be. Do you understand? So now let's assume now that you've said, okay, let's these numbers be, let's just say, let it be x. You understand? Now, if it's going to be x, it means that you will bring s into 4 consecutive terms. You understand? By saying this, by saying that this set of numbers which I'm looking for will be x. This is one of the consecutive numbers. Then x plus 1, the second consecutive number. Then x plus 2, the third. Then x plus 3, the fourth. And we're saying that these are the numbers. These are the sets of numbers. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? Then what do I do again? I'll simply say that x plus bracket x plus 1 plus x plus 2 in a bracket plus x plus 3 in a bracket is equal to 58. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Then I'll now collect the ones that look like each other. Like I'm having x, I'm having x, I'm having x, and I'm having x, right? They are 4 in number. Then I will say x plus x plus x plus x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 58, right? X plus x in mass is 2x, but x times x is s raised to power of 2. Do you understand this? So x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 4x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, is equal to 58, right? Then I will now go on to say that what I will do now is, instead of me to just write it or to split it, I will say we are going to collect the like terms. we are going to collect the like terms. That is the one that look like each other by saying 4x is equal to 58 minus 6. Which on the same note, you can also still say 4x plus 6. Because I'm having plus 6 here, I can decide to subtract 6 from each of the sides. You understand this now? I can decide to subtract 6 from each of the sides, which is going to be the same thing with what I have done here. So that this will cancel this, then I will still arrive at the same point, right? So what do I do now? I will say 4x is equal to 58 minus 6 will give us 52, right? Then you will now say, let us divide the both sides, with the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? 4. So I will say 4x divided by 4 is equal to 52 divided by the same 4. Which means that I'll be having 4x will cancel 4. Sorry, 4 will cancel 4. Then I'll be having 1x. Then 4 will cancel 52. I'll be having 13. You understand? Then 1 times x is still equal to x. So the whole number which I'm looking for is 13. Then what are these 4 consecutive numbers? Therefore, or someone can say, hence, the 4 consecutive numbers, hence, the 4 consecutive numbers are 13, 14, 15, and 16. Remember that what we are looking for is the sum of the 4 consecutive numbers, meaning that if I'm to add all of them together, I will have 58. So if I should say now in a bracket that 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 is going to, when you calculate this, when you sum up this, what you'll be having is going to be 58. And that is what we're looking for. Done. But I want to let us know something, that for you to have watched this video to the end, just like this, please don't hesitate to subscribe, turn up your notification bell, and keep on following. More of this is definitely going to keep on coming. I can give you my word, and I'm very certain on that. Okay, so I will expect you to be in my next class. Thank you, and God bless you.